Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix error 633. The modem or other connecting device is already in use. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Click yes to continue. Click and expand H key local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Click Rasman. Open required privileges string. Type SE load driver privilege, S, L, D, and P are capital letters. Click OK and exit registry editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.